Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to increase music volume in Filmora. So basically sometimes you import music from YouTube or from Filmora library or even your video that you have recorded by your own self and you find that the volume is really low. So how you can increase it, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, as always, please make sure that you have opened Wondershare Filmora and then go ahead and check if you are logged in. After that, choose the second most important thing, which is the aspect ratio. So make sure that you have selected the correct aspect ratio for your project and then create a new project. Now, there's multiple ways of audio. So for example, if you want it to be in a clip, you can just drag your clip just like so and start editing it. And if you have like a video or like a music already inserted in here in your library, you can just drag it from here. Now, let's start with our audio or in our clip. It's pretty simple. You can either increase it from here. So this is like the video which is separated onto the video and the audio below it. So you can just increase it like so, or you can just click on the clip and then what you can do basically is go to audio and here you'll see the volume. So here what you have to do is make it high like so. Of course you can click here if you want to go like deep in the music, etc., to see what's if it is high or low. So here as you can see, you can try and play with this. So if you want to make it high, you go here and you make it increased. And the same thing goes for any other clip. So for example, this audio file, the same thing. You go to volume here and you make it higher. And please make sure that you won't hurt your ears while this is like really high. As you can see, it is full. And yeah guys, that was it. That's how you can increase the volume in your audios or your music files. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.